Good day, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Kat Hiskey, owner and creator of the Weave Buddy. As you know by now, our clients are losing their hairline. Traction alopecia is a pulling force that causes the natural hair to tear when the extensions start pulling back. I have created a technology that actually keeps the hair extensions from pulling back. Our hairline protectors are attached onto the healthy braids that are created when you're preparing your clients for a full hair installation. You can rest assured that your clients will have a strong foundation that will support layers of hair extensions that are applied onto their scalp. Thank you so much, and come on, let's get started.